Just drove out to the lake house Sunday night. Wind's blowing out of the east, northeast light. We're gonna go check it out. It's mostly east, but you might not be able to hear me once I get around the corner of the house. It might be too windy. Alright, need to put a couple sandbags right here by the gate. Well, the water's down, so we're pretty good here. Like to see it when it's down. See the jetty over there, that's good. Yeah, the water's down, so I'm glad to see that. In fact, our footsteps from up here by the wall where we've been working, they're still there, so the water hasn't been up this far. One thing I do like is when that water is down. Alright, well, we're just going to swing around here and head over to Phil's.